Today I'm going to be reviewing this palette that I received from the company FLORASIS. I'm going to show you what it looks like, what the colors look like, so keep on watching. As you can see, it comes in a beautiful box, so very nice packaging. Inside was my palette. I'm going to take it out, but check out that beautiful packaging. How nice is this? The detail in this. I'm going to remove the top piece. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then like on the side it's like a chrome color. As you can see, it's like purple, then it has like an emerald green color. So freaking pretty. All right, so let's take a look at the inside. As you can see, it has a mirror here, and then it has the palette itself, but look at the beautiful detail on that. So you do get your cream color, a little bit of a bronzer, a lighter shimmery pink shade, and then a darker pink blush. This is perfect for contouring, highlighting your face. So each one of these is named back here. I'm going to show you. The palette has the individual. It has the names of each shade, and then it is also imprinted with them. So for example, this one right here, it is the Assure Dragon. Down here we have the Black Tortoise. Here is the White Tiger, and then up here is the Vermilion Bird. Super nice. So let's check these out. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them with my fingers, and we're going to see how beautiful these shades really are once I swatch them and check out the colors. All right, so even though I don't want to really use this palette because it is just so beautiful, so detailed, I'm going to go ahead and see how good these colors are. So let's go ahead and start off with the white one right here. You can see it is picking up nicely. Just try to put it right here. Very nice light cream color. Let's do the brown shade next. So as I am like gently rubbing my finger on this, it does feel very soft. Here is that color. Super pigmented. So let's go ahead and try it out. Here's the second color. Let's try now this light shimmery pink. It is such a beautiful pink shade. Ooh. Very nice. Look at that nice pink shade right there. Oh, wow. And this is just with one dab. And then we'll do the top one, that pink color. Shades pick up really nicely. And here is the last shade. I added some of the leftover, the shimmery shade. But overall, the colors picked up nicely. Check them out. Take a look at those beautiful colors. I'm sure they're picking up good. Very nice. Great pigment. Again, this was probably one of my favorite colors right here, is that like shimmery pink color. But definitely, if you're looking for a nice palette, perfect for contouring your face, highlighting those areas of your face, and bringing out the pink blush, the shimmer, the highlight, the bronzer, I would definitely recommend this FLORASIS palette.